Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. After my video yesterday, I remain cautiously bullish and hope to see further upside before any additional downside. But the market showed weakness. Geopolitical news about a further involvement of foreign units in the Middle East injected fear into the system, pushing participants into panic selling. Bitcoin dropped to the next key horizontal level at 101.5K, where it bounced swiftly. From there, it managed to retest the yellow horizontal at 103.3K. That level acted as resistance over the past 24 hours, as price consolidated tightly and is now stabilizing around 102.5K. Maybe it's surprising for some, but I'm still not bearish. My low leverage long positions are still open and in good shape. When we check the 3-day liquidation heat map, we can see that many traders have opened aggressive 50x leverage long positions right here in this range. This is both a good and a bad sign. It's good because it shows that sentiment remains bullish even during a pullback. But it's also dangerous. When high-risk leverage piles up during a short-term bearish trend, market makers often use that imbalance as fuel to push prices artificially lower, targeting those stops. Switching to the 1-week liquidation heat map, we can see that there is still room for downside, theoretically down to 100.3K. But to be honest, I think that scenario only plays out if one major geopolitical rumor actually turns out to be true. Right now, that seems unlikely. A key source already suggested that the next official decision could take up to 2 weeks, giving the market a window to breathe and recalibrate. First, it was the T-word event that pumped and dumped the market. And now the possibility of involvement in a broader conflict causes similar volatility. It almost feels like 2021 again. The market is reactive, oversensitive, and vulnerable to headlines. One tweet or one news flash can move price wildly. It's another bull cycle year, and while it does not repeat exactly, it definitely rhymes. Stay strong, keep the bigger picture in mind. The 1-month liquidation heat map still shows 111.3K as a major mid to long-term target. I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time trading thoughts. Click the like button if you got value from this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.